Imagine earbuds that feel like magic, delivering crystal clear sound, blocking out the world, and fitting snugly in your ears, all at a killer price. Meet the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, the latest flagship noise-canceling wireless earbuds packed with cutting-edge technology. These earbuds feature dual dynamic drivers, a 10.5mm woofer and a 4.6mm titanium tweeter, which work together to produce powerful, punchy sound with crisp highs and deep bass. The sound profile is fully customizable through the Soundcore app, offering over 20 equalizer presets, so you can tweak it to suit your favorite music genres. The Adaptive Active Noise Cancellation, ANC, is where these earbuds truly shine. With 6 microphones, a barometric pressure sensor, and Soundcore's ANC 3.0 algorithm, they adjust 3 times per second to block out background noise in environments like busy offices or noisy commutes. Whether you're on a train or in a bustling city, the Liberty 4 Pro ensures you hear only what you want. For added convenience, the Easy Chat feature automatically lowers volume and switches to transparency mode when you start speaking. The design combines comfort and practicality. Each earbud weighs just 5.5 grams, while the sleek case weighs 62 grams and includes a tiny display screen for quick controls. The earbuds offer up to 7.5 hours of playback on a single charge, with an impressive total of 30 hours when paired with the case. Charging is fast and flexible via USB-C or wireless charging. With support for high-resolution audio codecs like Sony's LDAC, Bluetooth multipoint connectivity for seamless device switching, spatial audio with head tracking, and Google Fast Pair, these earbuds rival much pricier options like Apple's AirPods Pro 2 or Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra at just $130. Available in glossy black, light blue, and white colorways, the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro combines premium features with affordability, making them an excellent choice for music lovers and tech enthusiasts alike.